clean. Hello guys, good afternoon YouTube. So right now I'm in Texas. I'm in the Enbridge oil company here in Texas, delivering this load, guys. This is check valve. I don't know what to use in the oil company, but by the way, here it's too hot here, 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's get it done, guys. Start unloading, guys. So guys, this is in Freeport, Texas. It's very close to Gulf of America. They're doing a big project right here. Clear?
Yes, boss.
Alright guys, we're done with the delivery. We're gonna leave.
This is Suwang.
Yeah, we're gonna leave Freeport now. This is Freeport, Texas. It's very close to Gulf of America. Previously Gulf of Mexico.
This one you were talking. Okay. Yeah. Now I understand.
You can sit there.
Yes, boss.
Oh.
It's okay. Until the last one.
Yeah.
You want me to go to your side, driver side?
This one?
These two boxes, driver side, right? No?
Yeah, driver side, because there's no space on the other side.
Oh yeah, driver side.
Turn off the truck.
Huh?
Truck off.
No. Sit. It's too hot, man.
Alright guys, so finally done with the delivery here in Freeport, Texas. And a bit from dispatch, we gonna go to wash the truck in Blue Beacon. McCarthy, Houston. Let's go. We are heading to McCarthy. Watch the truck, and after that we'll go to Love's. Love is just beside the truck was. And yeah, have some rest, take a shower, and see you there, guys.
I got my own car, she's got a heart of gold. Riding down the highway, feeling 31. Wind in my hair, sun on my face,
From Louisiana going to Missouri.
just cruising along. No need to rush the pace. We're rolling down the road, feeling so alive. With the bass and the speakers and the sun up high. It's a sunny day and I'm feeling fine. Just cruising along in my old time ride. The radio's playing my favorite tune. Feet on the dashboard, feeling the groove. Every mile we travel feels like a dream. Just enjoying the moment in the open sea. We're rolling down the road, feeling so alive. With the bass and the speakers and the sun up high. It's a sunny day and I'm feeling fine. Just cruising along in my old time ride. Skies are blue, the world's in view. Every curve and turn something new. Heart's beating fast, feeling so free. Just cruising along, can't you see? We're rolling down the road, feeling so alive. With the bass and the speakers and the sun up high. It's a sunny day and I'm feeling fine. Just cruising along in my old time ride. So here's to the road and the open sky, to the old time ride and the goodbye. We'll keep on rolling till the sun goes down. Just cruising along with this happy sound.
So right now, guys, we're in a truck wash. Blue Bacon in Houston. So many trucks at the front. So many trucks on the line. Look at that. Oh, so many trucks. Those 3 lines are full. So definitely they're making good money. Blue Bacon, how much in one truck? Probably like 200. No, so it's like 75 maybe. 75 USD
Yes,
average per truck.
yes, they.
clean. Looks clean, guys. Hey guys, so there's an update from dispatch. So after we done the truck wash a while ago, they told us that we have to pick up a load in the Houston yard, and we're gonna deliver that load in Houston. That's good. And then after that, we're gonna have backload to Canada on Wednesday from Haslett by Dallas. But guys, unfortunately, we couldn't find parking at Loft truck stop, and then we went to another Loft truck stop too. There is no parking too. Then we went to another one. The same thing. Houston is so bad in parking. Actually, it's still early. It's not yet like 6 o'clock, but wow, all parking were occupied. What we had to, we went to our yard in Houston. And yeah, we saw our load for tomorrow morning that we had to deliver it. So we're gonna stay overnight here in our truck yard in Houston. So that's what's going on, what's happening in this day, guys. I think I'm gonna end this video for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the Alice Family Vlogs at Indotrucker. Peace on trucking, and see you on the next video. Have a good night.